transfer vinyl is an excellent category to be in apparel decoration because of the effects that you can achieve onto apparel. Whether that's puff or flock or reflective or glitter, there are literally hundreds of choices that allow you to create apparel that stands out for your customer. Now, over the last decade, our most popular seller when we look at the special effect categories has undoubtedly been CAD-CUT Glitter Flake. This heat transfer vinyl has a super sparkly finish, is sold in a wide variety of colors, and is extremely easy to work with, and it's durable. It won't peel off of the garment, and it won't flake off of the garment. There's one thing that people complain about when it comes to Glitter Flake, though, and it's kind of specific, and I want to point it out and also recommend an alternative. Have you ever heard the word pill, P-I-L-L, when it relates to apparel decoration? Well, pilling is when that garment gets all balled up, right, to use a technical word, or fuzzy after it's been laundered. That's because the texture of the glitter surface is actually scratching against the fleece as it's agitated through the wash and dry cycle and causing the garment to basically degrade over time. And so when you're decorating fleece, we've often had the request for a smooth glitter. Not only when we're decorating fleece, but when we're decorating children's apparel, where the glitter particle may come in contact with the face. It is safe, but it's also scratchy, and that's not great for kids. And so we're excited to announce a new product. It's called CAD-CUT Reflective Glitter. Okay, so the reflective glitter, as the name implies, has reflective glass bead particles in it. But these particles are entirely encapsulated with a top layer that holds it all together. And so when I feel this on the garment, it's smooth. When it's laundered, it won't damage the garment. When it's touched against the face, it's smooth as well. So I want to show you CAD-CUT Reflective Glitter, and at the end, I'll point out some of the additional properties of this heat transfer vinyl. Let's head over to the heat press with our already cut, weeded, and ready to apply logo, and we'll press it onto this independent crew neck fleece. I have my heat press set for 300 degrees, 15 seconds, and a medium pressure. I'm going to swing the heat press into the open position and load my garment. To load the garment onto the Hotronix Fusion heat press, I just split it and thread it on, getting down to a single layer. Again, this is the independent trading company crew neck fleece, a really nice tie-dye sort of style, and you can find this on S&S Activewear. We'll put the link down in the description. Now, I like to start with the preheat, especially when I'm working with fleece, because it often holds a lot of moisture. I want to get rid of that moisture and release it from the garment. And so preheating is extremely important. You actually don't need to apply much pressure when preheating. Just rest the heater against the shirt, let some of that moisture release. 5 or 10 seconds is usually sufficient, depending on the amount of humidity in your shop or home. From there, I'm going to position the design. Reflective glitter has a little bit of tackiness to the carrier, so it allows you to do some pretty nice detail when you're cutting and weeding. It also is nice for positioning and holding into place without the use of tape or anything extra to hold it into position. Make sure my design's straight. We do recommend using a cover sheet since this is a warm to cool peel. That way it doesn't stick to the heater and want to start lifting at the edge. And then we just lock it down for the full recommended application. After it's complete, we'll remove the garment from the press, head over to the table, and peel the backing to reveal the result. The product is a warm peel, so I've let it cool down for just about 10 seconds, and then I'll grab the corner and peel at a 45-degree angle. It's a single-step application, so no need to put that back onto the heat press at all unless you see lifting at the edges because you peeled too soon. The end result is nice and smooth. It has a little bit of a almost siliconized grippy texture to it, which you can kind of see with my hands grabbing it and feeling it, but when you rub the garment on it, it slides very nicely. It's not going to have any grip at all. Let's compare that to the Glitter Flake. When we rub the garment against it, we can hear it tacking, and we can hear a little bit of the texture grabbing there. So, two different products, two different results, both equally nice. Just find the way to position those to your customer. Reflective glitter is sold in 10 colors at the producing of this video. At Stahls, we manufacture the entire line of heat transfer vinyl and sell it through resellers and distributors throughout the country. You can find those resellers and distributors by clicking the link in the description to get one close to you. Or you can purchase directly from Stahls.com. Either way, you're getting the same quality product. If you like this content, click the thumbs up on the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. Thanks for watching.